What's going on, guys? Obi with OBZU here. And if you didn't know, we have clear bra installation in-house here in our showroom. Why would anyone want clear bra? Well, if you're buying a really nice car like this with beautiful paint, you want to protect that paint. And with the clear bra, you get ultimate protection from all elements of the road. And we're super lucky to have Clear Film Services in-house to be able to help us with any clear bra work that we do. They always have some crazy cool cars coming in and out of here, so just wait till you see this one. Alright guys, and we have Andrew here from Clear Film Services. He is the owner.
How's it going, guys?
And he has this insane gloss carbon exposed Senna in the showroom here. And so yeah, I mean, how long have you been PPFing cars to get to this level?
So I've been doing cars for 8.5 years now. I have a pretty good book of clients that bring cars, all of this caliber, supercars, hypercars, that sort of thing.
Oh wow, very nice. And so is this like your first Senna? Is this the first one you've done?
So this is actually the 14th Senna I've done. Done 12 normal Sennas, 2 Senna GTRs.
Oh wow, that's very cool. Out of 550, I believe?
So out of 500 normal Sennas, and then there were 75 Senna GTRs that were made.
Oh wow, got it. And so yeah, I mean, is there anything you could show us specifically on this one? I mean, gloss carbon's insane as it is.
Yeah, so this one specifically has the gloss carbon package, which is $256,000.
Wow.
And then it also has the carbon door sills, which are pretty cool. Not all of them have the carbon with the Ayrton's name in them. Some of them are just plain. So this is number 68 of 500. You can see on the plaque right inside there.
And so with the PPF, you actually PPF this as well?
Yes, so this whole entire piece is done to protect it. So when you're getting out of the car, you don't damage the sill itself. If anything, you would damage the PPF, which...
Very nice. Yeah, I kick door sills all the time.
And then if we go around the back of the car here, it's got another cool option that I like that not all of them have, is a 24 karat gold heat shield. And so this pays homage to the McLaren F1.
And how much is that option?
So that option is $29,440.
Wow, that is insane.
It's pricey.
That is pricey.
Yeah. And then so if we keep going around to the other side of the car, you can see on the other side, they did things a little bit different. Instead of putting Ayrton's name, they put the Senna logo right inside here, which is really cool.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
So it's in there in the paint of the carbon.
Beautiful.
It's not just a sticker put on top, it's actually there.
This thing's just truly mind-blowing. I mean, obviously if you're gonna buy a car like this, you would want to PPF it. It only has 138 miles, so it was on the road before, but I'm sure they drove it very carefully. But yeah, I mean, definitely bring it to Andrew right away for a PPF, that's for sure.
Most definitely. If you want it done, the whole car, front end, whatever it is, we can do that, we can accommodate. Very experienced with doing custom installs on cars. We use Expel Ultimate Plus and Expel Stealth Film. We're a licensed dealer for them. And then we also can do custom stuff. So we have the custom and we have kits, but we do highly modified kits. So it's not like a normal thing where you just plot it out and stick it on the car.
Yeah.
It's our little touch on it to make it better than the rest.
Right, yeah. It's not easy to get an Expel account, that's for sure.
No, it's all done by territory, and
yeah.
You have to keep up to their standard and have to keep up to a standard. They don't just give it out to anybody who wants to buy film from China and ship it over and slap it on a car.
Right, makes sense. No, you're definitely doing it right. So how can people find you? I mean, they want their car PPF, they want the best quality work, so how can they reach you?
So we have a couple options. We're on social media. We have our Instagram, Clear Film Services, and we have our website, clearfilmservices.com, and then also by phone. Phone number 714-951-3336. That goes straight to my cell phone. Directly talk to me. I'm also the lead installer besides just the owner of the company.